Here it is. Now that you finally read enough for the whole day, here we go and just listen. Customer's water heater blew up. Second part. Yes, nobody's ever gonna touch this until it needs to be replaced. That is, but gotta make it look clean. Plenty of room for the new water heater, wider, bigger, just like my back. And this is installing CPVC pipe. It's chlorinated PVC pipe. That's what the C in front stands for. Who cares? I guess I do. Anywho, you can watch the rest of it. You can like it if you want. If you subscribe, I'd appreciate it. You guys do you. Have a great day. And yeah, keep watching them videos.